In this level, you'll practice on changing between A minor and G. As you see, these two chords don't share any finger positions, so each fretting finger has to move to a different fret while jumping over multiple strings. So it will require a bit of work to get this right. If you can't grab the full chord at once, we recommend you choose a starting finger and then let the other fingers follow. As usual, you should practice this chord change a few times before starting the lesson. Repeat until you feel comfortable in changing between these chords. Remember to practice at your own pace and avoid excess finger movements. If you make mistakes, then slow down and make sure your fingering is correct before you move on to the next chord. You'll soon notice how the chord change gets into your muscle memory, and at that point, it's okay to add a little speed.